Assalamu alaikum, Fatma Zahra Malik here, and I own a gym by the name of FZM Boutique Fitness in Karachi, Pakistan. मेरे पास बहुत सारे celebrities आते हैं, बहुत सारे CEOs आते हैं, and one thing that they don't have is time. So they want to get the best moves, the most efficient moves. They want to burn the most amount of fat as quickly as possible. तो आज मैं आपके साथ 3 body weight moves share करूँगी, जो कि आप घर पे कर सकते हैं, अपनी routine में incorporate कर सकते हैं for amazing results. Move number 1, legs and core. Very simple. You need a chair. Sit and stand up, exhale. Simple squat. I love squats because you're burning fat, you're using all the muscles in your body. Super simple. If this is too easy for you, you advance. Sit. Jump up. Jump up. Make it harder. Add a flying jack. Boom. Add a flying jack. Sit. Exhale up. Alright, move number 1, working your legs, working your core, working your saddlebags right here. Okay, number 2, arms, especially triceps. A lot of women complain about these bingo arms when they wave this stuff that moves. And that is the tricep, that's the layer of fat right here that needs to be tightened, pulled back. So for that, I love tricep dips. Arms on the chair, down, and up, 90-degree angle, down and up. My legs are bent over here. अगर आपको इसको मुश्किल करना है, अपने दोनों legs straight, down, hold it up for 2 seconds. Want to make it even harder, working your core or your abs more. Down, up, knee in. Down, up, knee in. Alright, and third move is for those love handles or the waist, whatever you want to call it, and inner thighs, right here. So I'm going to come into a side plank, elbow on the floor, one leg on top of the chair, other leg on the bottom, 1, 2, 3. Lift up, make sure your elbow is slightly ahead of that shoulder. Lift up, haath yahan ya upar, and lift and lower. So inner thigh, waist, everything is working. And breathe. And we do each of these moves for a minute each, resting 10 to 15 seconds in between. And you repeat this circuit 3 to 4 times. Hope that was helpful. If you want more videos like this, please join my online bootcamp. Details are on my page, FZM Boutique Fitness, and keep following me and The Independent.